Okay, we're going to hop over to Audit now. Now, again, the problem with a lot of Excel-based RAID logs is that you don't have auditability. You don't know who changed what. A status could go from red to green with no reconciliation of how it got there or who did it or anything like that. All you've got is an Excel spreadsheet that says this status is now red or green or whatever. This keeps an audit trail of everything. Now, so if I go into risks, here are all the different risks that I've got in here. I want to go into loss of key talent and SMEs. I click on that. And now it's going to show me every single time this thing has been touched, who touched it, what the change was, so forth. So this is version 499. Now I've done a lot of testing and a lot of updates along the way. So 499 versions of this loss of key talent, and it shows when it was last updated, who last updated it, what the status was, when the follow-up date was, reporting level, who the work group was and sub-work group and so forth. So if I need to, I can always go back to those versions. And if not, I can at least see why it changed and who changed it. And this button I haven't enabled yet, but what it would allow you to do is to revert back to that particular version. If for the sake of argument, somebody updated something and they just want to go back to a previous version, they can always do this. Now, this would obviously be permissioned and access controlled so that not everybody can see the audit and not everybody can revert back just for sort of security purposes. But from an auditing perspective, it's a very good tool to be able to track the progress of any item throughout the program.